Yo, what's up? Okay, we are in. Well, this is still Legian, technically.
Legian and Seminyak,
Legian and
double six
Seminyak.
Seminyak. Yeah, I just finished working today and Damian picked me up from work. It was a very stressful and tiring work, so yeah, we decided to go to the beach.
We're thinking to
Have
having
bakso.
a bakso. However, it was rainy, heavy rain. As you see, the water is here and everything. So it's kind of quiet, but we will see. Yes, we will have a try. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. This is the Anantara area and Legian Double Six Beach, Hotel Kumara Pantai, with the big Buddha here. For everyone who are familiar, you guys must remember this place. If you are already here, I wanna show you. It's a big Buddha, by the way, and we're gonna try to get some bucks. So we will see how's the life. There's some traffic, still quiet, but still some cars around. All right, as you see, it was actually rainy, wet. So we will see you what's up. Yeah. That's how does it look. Hello, how are you, my friend? All good, yeah? Okay. Bakso, grow back beans. Yes. Bali. Alright, we will see. So it's kind of quiet, but to compare to the last time when we was there, but obviously no sunset today. So some people they just changed their plans probably, but yeah, we'll have a try. Yeah, I wanna bakso, please. Yes. For me, maybe 5 or 6. No, just one, just one. And Coca-Cola, yeah.
Okay, Coca-Cola. Drink something. Coconut. Coca-Cola.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so much, brother. We are sitting just at the back because it's windy, and I don't know why, but honestly, seriously, I feel cold little bit. Can you imagine that?
It's windy now.
It's really windy and it's feeling like rain in the air, so it's actually refreshing. But well, after many years, you feel cold. Anyway, that's how it looks. The area. We are sitting close to Bakso, so. All right, the guy arrived with the Bakso plate. I was just joking about 6. I just want. Just one. He brings on the. Meanwhile, this is the warung. This is the owner, boss. I just wanna quickly show you how does it look, the bakso trolley inside, because for obvious reason many of you know bakso, but some people they don't know what is a bakso inside. So bakso is like this. Hello. This is the kitchen. Hello. This is the bakso. I try inside. Yeah. Bakso. So this is the meatball actually, and that's how it looks. The owner is busy actually, so I just show you. I think will be no problem. And this is the big bag of the krupuk. Okay. Yeah, where's my bakso? Yeah, that's a funny situation actually, as I show you bakso by myself. But yeah, this is Bali. And here we go, bakso on the table. Comment below if you ever tried bakso, by the way. Looks pretty decent. Always the best with cola. Smacznego, kochanie. Alright, so this is our bakso. I will show you also around, as I eat local food, because sometimes people saying I'm not eating local food. I'm eating bakso. Very nice. It's like a chicken soup in Poland, you know. If you ever go to Poland, people will serve you rosu with pasta and chicken soup. It's almost the same. Woo. So good. You should try it when you are in Bali, especially on this beach. Yes, honey? You like it? Smacznego. We are alright. We are after the tasty bakso. Highly recommended for everyone at least once to try in Bali or in Indonesia. But in Bali, if you are here on the area of the beach, Double Six Legian Beach, definitely worth it. By the way, behind me is the beach. It was rainy, so you can see the sand is actually kinda wet and not many people actually behind me. However, it's always good to be here.
Right, so last night I read in the news that Hong Kong actually ends Indonesia in the ban of no flights. It means like if you are from Indonesia or you just transit from Indonesia, so and then you go to Hong Kong, you will get banned. It means that your flights are not allowed. And yeah, so this is because the increasing number of the case nowadays. Yeah, even I saw that on the news, like in Jakarta and also some other big cities in Java. And also we read that some comments in the previous videos that the number of the case is very increasing. So yeah.
So regarding the probably frequent asking question to us, is Bali open or when Bali will be open? Still have to wait for the official information, but unfortunately when we see what's going on in Jakarta, I don't know. It's hard to say.
It's really hard to say.
But don't stop believing, guys. It's still June, not July yet, so I hope so. Something will change. I don't know what's going on there, but they put flowers on the beach, and I don't know. I don't really want to disturb them. Seems like this is like, I don't know. Hard to say. Anyway, this is the gate border between Legian and Seminyak, and where is already lights and everything of this big hotel. This is already Seminyak and little bit different restaurants. I'll show you around. How does it look like? Unfortunately no sunset today. Usually the beautiful sunset is summer.
It was a very big raining actually in Legian Kuta Seminyak. Nowadays the weather, I can say that in the afternoon or in the morning it was a very bright and then sunny, but in the afternoon, late afternoon, it goes raining. So yeah. So here is the restaurant with the lights and live music preparing, and there somewhere is the live music also, and here is the local people praying. This is actually very interesting as it's like tourist area with a lot of tourists, live music, and just like 10 meters between there are local people praying, doing ceremony. That's how it looks Bali right now. However, I'll try to record a little bit then for everyone who missing the cultural thing of Bali and praying and everything. By the way, live music, ceremony. So that's how it is right now in Bali, in Seminyak. I will show you one more time the prayers. Alright, so nowadays Bali will have a local PPKM again or local restriction again. So I think that's starting nowadays, yeah. So like the shopping malls, public places is closed earlier at 8 p.m. because of, they said like they have to restrict the crowd. So yeah, this is how it is nowadays in Bali.
By the way, check this out, this beautiful color of the sky and the clouds. And this is not photoshopped, it's just natural color. How does it look like? It's beautiful. No sunset, but the color of the clouds, just amazing. Alright guys, we have a bug, so and that's kind of situation today. It's a little bit cold, windy, cloudy. I think that's it, honey. I think
that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care.